What if I told you that the deepest blocks holding you back are not outside, but hidden inside your subconscious mind? These are deep negative beliefs, silent programs that make you doubt yourself, feel unworthy, and stop you from living your full potential. Today, I'll show you how to identify and remove these beliefs step by step, so you can finally live free. Negative beliefs usually come from childhood experiences, society, or painful memories. For example, if someone was told, "You're not good enough," that belief can stay hidden in the subconscious for years. These beliefs act like invisible chains. No matter how much you try to succeed, something inside whispers, "You can't do this," or "You don't deserve it." And because your subconscious mind controls 95% of your actions, these hidden beliefs decide how far you go in life, unless you learn to remove them. So how do you know if you have deep negative beliefs? Look for these signs. You constantly doubt your abilities. You sabotage your own success, like starting something and quitting halfway. You feel guilty about wanting more. Success, love, or money. You repeat the same negative patterns even if you don't want to. If any of these sound familiar, it's not because you're weak. It's because your subconscious is running an old program. The first step is awareness. You cannot change what you don't see. Take a notebook and write down recurring thoughts like, "I'm not good enough," or "I'll never be successful." Next, ask yourself, where did this belief come from? Was it from a parent, teacher, or past failure? Once you write it down, you've already started taking away its power, because now it's no longer hidden in your subconscious. It's right in front of you. Most negative beliefs are born in childhood. The little version of you believed something painful and carried it into adulthood. That's why we use inner child healing. Close your eyes, imagine your younger self, maybe 5, 10, or 15 years old. Speak to that child and say the words you always needed to hear. You are loved. You are enough. You are safe. If the belief came from someone who hurt you, practice forgiveness. Forgiveness doesn't mean what they did was right. It means you're freeing yourself from carrying their words forever. This emotional release tells your subconscious, it's time to let go. Now that you've cleared the negative belief, you need to replace it. Write a positive statement that directly cancels the old one. Example, if the old belief was, "I'm not worthy," replace it with, "I am worthy of love and success." Repeat this daily with emotion, especially before sleep or right after waking, when your subconscious is most open. The more you repeat, the faster your subconscious accepts this new truth. Change doesn't happen overnight, but with daily rituals, it becomes permanent. Here's a simple method: affirmations, 2 minutes morning and night. Visualization, see yourself living with the new belief. Journaling, track when the old thought tries to come back and remind yourself of the new truth. Over time, your subconscious rewires, and those deep beliefs that once controlled you slowly disappear. Remember, your subconscious is like a garden. If you don't remove the weeds, they will grow and take over. But once you clear them and plant empowering beliefs, your life blossoms in ways you never imagined. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs healing from their past. And always remember, you are enough.